Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, a #1 channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. For new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell button to get a new notification when a new story drop. Rema's death. Today has not been a good start of the month for Rema, as the news about his death has gone viral. People have been searching lately about Rema's death. Is Rema dead? Is Rema dead or alive? The biggest world-free online encyclopedia, Wikipedia, has made a devastating blunder by reporting that the fast-rising Nigerian singer, Divine Ikubor, also known as Rema, has died. Rema's death. Rema is not dead. He is very much alive. See what really happened. The online platform made the error in reporting that singer passed on at exactly 12:29 a.m. on 1st February. However, reports claim that the error was on the part of one of the platform's writers, who made the error while updating the singer's profile. The error has since been corrected, with the singer being the most searched in the last 10 hours following the blunder. Rema also took to his Instagram account to post. Nigerian fast-rising singer Rema and rapper Rema has been confirmed alive. Recall it was reported earlier today that the 19-year-old boy was dead. According to Naija News and Entertainment, Wikipedia, the world's largest information server, posted Rema's death today, 1st February 2020. However, Rema posted to his Instagram handle showing he's still alive and healthy. He said, "Unleash the creativity within you with the HP Pavilion PC. Get shopping vouchers on purchase of the HP Pavilion PC at designated partner stores." That's what Rema uploaded on his Instagram account. I'm happy Rema is alive. I was scared actually when I first saw that news yesterday that Rema was dead. I'm happy he's alive. And Rema coming out now at least to post something shows he's still there somewhere. He's still there somewhere. So guys, what do you think about this? I'm sure most of his fans are happy, as I am. They're happy. He's rolling. He's good over there. Let's discuss in the comment section. Thank you.